Propell's all-new blender bridges the gap in technology from other equipment on the frac site over the last 10 years. It's been designed from the ground up to accommodate the increase in proppant rate and duty cycle while being reliable and serviceable. An industry-first hollow core chassis keeps all major service components mounted outboard, combined with an all-new patent-pending manifold without any welded pipes or flanges. Propell's manifold utilizes hardened inserts that can be rotated and replaced when worn out. These new technologies, alongside a 13-barrel tub capacity and 140 barrels per minute flow rate, ensure you get a blender that minimizes your non-productive time and lasts for years to come.